It's Clint, and I'm out here in the Clear Channel parking lot in front of 101 KGB, and my buddy Troy had to show me something that he got on his bike. I think you're going to like it.
Okay, so I was doing some research on a louder horn. The factory horn is just not loud enough. People, you got to get their attention. So I did some research and found a...
Safety.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's hear this thing. Can we hear it?
Yeah.
We've featured this bike on Clint's Babes and Bikes, by the way. Oh my God, dude, that's like a damn train coming through.
Yep, I've actually had to use it on the way here, as a matter of fact, and I scared the hell out of that lady that was trying to run into me.